Are you looking to make forms in Asana but don't know where to start? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to create forms in Asana, a simple yet powerful tool that can streamline your project management and collaboration. Stick around because I'll also share a tip that will help you automate your workflow in ways you might not expect. Plus, by the end of this video, I'll reveal how you can use Asana for free with some exclusive bonuses. First things first, let's dive into how to create forms in Asana. If you're not familiar with Asana, it's a project management tool that helps you keep track of tasks, collaborate with your team, and ensure everything runs smoothly. But did you know you can also create forms to collect information directly into your projects? It's a great way to organize responses, requests, or even surveys. Next thing, to create a form, you'll need to go to a project where you want the form to be stored. Once there, look for the Customize button in the upper right corner of your project view. Click on that, and you'll see an option that says Forms. It's right there, so easy to find. Now, let's say you click on Forms, you'll be presented with a button that says Create a Form. When you hit that, Asana will guide you through the process of designing your form. You can add sections, customize questions, and even decide whether you want them to be optional or required. It's pretty intuitive. Next thing, once your form is ready, Asana gives you the option to share it. You can send the link directly to anyone, whether they're part of your team or an outside collaborator. They don't need an Asana account to fill it out, which makes this feature perfect for gathering information quickly and efficiently. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that when someone fills out your form, their responses automatically create tasks in your Asana project. This is huge for organizing the information you collect. Instead of manually transferring data, Asana does the work for you. Next, let's talk about automating the process. You can set up rules within Asana so that when certain responses come in, they automatically trigger actions like assigning tasks or sending notifications. This is where the real magic happens. With a little setup, you can save tons of time and keep everything flowing seamlessly. Now that you've seen how to create forms in Asana, I've got a bonus for you. If you're wondering how you can get started with Asana without spending a penny, you're in luck. You can try out Asana for free with our exclusive link below, which also comes with special bonuses to help you get the most out of your experience. To recap, making forms in Asana is a great way to collect data, stay organized, and streamline your workflow. If you haven't tried it yet, you're definitely missing out. And remember, you can start using Asana for free. Check out the link below for your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick tutorials on how to get the most out of your favorite software tools.